Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your name Myat. So for today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo. I got a parcel from Amazon guys, and it was sponsored by MKBOO. And ayan, MKBOO, thank you so much for the trust. So ayan guys, I got this from the Amazon. So ito na siya. Tadang! So i-open natin ngayon. So ayan na siya guys. Tadang! Oh! Ayan, hindi ko pa ito nakita kanina. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. This is what I got from the Amazon. Sponsored by MKBOO. So, if not mistaken guys, I'm not sure. MKBOO. So, ito yun siya. Oh my gosh, napaka-cute ng product nila. Oh, ayan. I'm so excited to use this guys. Ayan, napakaganda ng kanilang packaging. Ayan. Napaka-elegante naman. Nahihiya ako mag-open. Uy, napaka-elegante naman ito. Ayan. Paano ba ito i-open? I-open natin ito. Okay. So, ay, ganun pala siya. Ganun. Nahirapan akong mag-open. Ayan. Ganun siya. O, diba? Ay, tsada. Kayo, guys. Tsada. Tadang! And may ano sila. 3 months warranty. Lifetime customer support for your purchase. Ayan. May 3 months warranty sila. So, pwede ko itong isa ulit pag hindi maano sa akin, no? Mag-workout sa akin, no? Ayan, thank you so much guys. Ayan, thank you so much MKBOO. Thank you so much MKBOO for the parcel that you sent. Ayan, product that you sent. Ayan, so ito na po yung ano niya, yung nasa loob. O diba? Hindi ko pa talaga na-open guys. And it comes with a, so paano ba to? Ayan. I-ganar natin. Ito yun. Ayan. Sinira ko na. Sinira. So, ayan. Ito yung nasa loob. Ayan. Yung name ng product guys is Spiral Professional Automatic Hair Curler. Ganun. Hindi ako marunong magbasa. Pero, I'm so excited! Hindi ako marunong magbasa guys. So, hanapin natin yung instruction dito. Ayan. Ito yung iron niya guys, nasa loob. Ayan, ito yung iron. Kung nakita nyo guys, ayan, kailangan ko lang tong i-ganar. Tapos ipasok ko yung hair dito. Oh, di ba? Ganun lang pala siya kadali. So, let's try this guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So excited kung anong resultan dito sa aking hair. Ayan. Taod sa nato niya to ang ayan. So, naka-off. I-try natin guys. Babaan muna natin ng 370 or 320. Ayan. 320. Try natin ngayon guys. I have the automatic iron. Ooh, I feel it. Ay. Parang Ay, I love it. Oh gosh. Kinabahan ako. Kinabahan ako at first, guys. Baka hindi mag-ano sa aking hair. O, diba? Wait lang. O, diba? Ayan. Sobrang cute niya. Kunting ano lang, kunting yan, kunti lang. Ayan. Sobrang cute niya. Ayan, mas katapos. Oh, ayan. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito na yung result ng ating MKBOO Spiral Professional Automatic Hair Curler. So, ayan. Thank you so much MKBOO for making my hair pretty. Thank you so much for this product. And guys, sa mga gusto dyan, pwede niyo itong mabili sa Amazon. And overall, yung masasabi ko sa product na to is very, very unique. Napaka-unique niya. Napaka-simple lang siyang gamitin, especially to control the time and the temperature. Kung gusto nyo talaga ng spiral, medyo spiral yung mga effect ng hair na nyo, ayan, you can use this product and you can find it on Amazon. And I'm gonna put the link description down below, guys, so that you guys can easy to find on Amazon. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and thank you for watching my videos, the past videos, and of course, shout out sa lahat na nandito guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you MKBOO for making my hair pretty. Yes, I really like my spiral hair ngayon. And see you for the next vlog. Bye bye.
Eyes meet, we drop by poker face. drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like